To install non-free flow auger tooling, adjust the auger shaft so it is fully raised. Install the tapered auger. Then slowly insert the lipped funnel into the coupling and tighten the thumb screws. Adjust the auger so there is a 1/32 of an inch between the auger and the funnel lip. To install free flow auger tooling, first clamp the collector lid midpoint on the straight funnel. Insert the funnel with the collector lid into the coupling and tighten. Insert the auger and adjust so it is flush with the bottom of the funnel. Place the spinner plate at the bottom of the auger and tighten the left-handed bolt underneath to secure it. Attach the collector funnel and tighten the screws.